finding the working coupon codes for your Stockx is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can get working coupon codes for your Stockx. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you have to type in coupon follow. And there you have to go to this website, which is couponfollow.com. And you guys will be able to see multiple types of coupons for almost every store. All of them are working, but now we are talking about Stockx, so we will search for Stockx, and there you guys can see. So we will go to this link, and you guys will be able to see all the coupons that are available for the Stockx. So you just have to find the suitable coupon for your Stockx purchase. Suppose if we talk about this Stockx coupon, which will give us about $10 off. So if I click on show coupon, and there you guys can see, this is the coupon. If I use, they will give us $10 off in any of the Stockx purchase. You can also directly redeem it at Stockx. A lot of coupons are like free, like this $10 one, but there are a lot of coupons as well which want you to have a little bit of purchase for, or some of them want you to spend over $200, so you can get $10, as you guys can see. So these coupons contain some of the conditions that you need to fulfill in order to get the coupon. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can find the working coupons for your Stockx. So hope you guys found this video helpful.